Hello YouTube. Today I was working in Frankenstein, seeing what I needed to get, and I was checking out the stereo, and I realized I need a new head unit and new speakers. The speakers are blown out, and the head unit itself is an old unit. It's the original cassette player, AM/FM. That's got to go. So I went online, ordered a new head unit, ordered about a couple $100 worth of other stuff's coming in soon. But I needed speakers today, and I stopped at Walmart. Got me a set of these. Some for the front, some for the back. Let's take a look at them. These are Scosche. They're kind of not a generic brand, but more of a cheaper brand of speakers. I used these before in two of my project cars when I was just they were just powered by the head unit. And these are what you need if you just going for a replacement for factory speakers. If you're going to get something that you're going to hook amps to, go to a Pioneer or a Sony or Kicker or whatever. But if you're just using replacement speakers, and the only thing that's going to power it is the head unit itself, these will work fine. Even though these are supposedly rated at 200 watts per pair, so that's about 100 watts of speaker. The head unit I bought puts out 80 watts per speaker for 4 speakers, so this will be more than adequate for a replacement. On the Crown Vics and Town Cars and the Grand Marquis, they have this size speaker. It's a 5x7, or you can use a 6x8. These will fit both holes. So just gonna go ahead and look at them and see if they're in shape, and we'll go from there. Hold on a second. Okay, we have a mounting ring, which I will not need, but they come with those in case for different size holes depending on the opening. Got your mounting bolts, and you got these are 4-way, two tweeters and one mid-range, one woofer, polyurethane woofer instead of the paper ones that's on the car right now. And when I turned the car on, they sounded like they were trash. So more likely, all this the cone around here is probably deteriorated to nothing, because they're made out of paper. Put this. Okay, now I'm going to look at the other speaker and see how that one is. Okay, they're in pretty good shape. I'm going to open up the other box and check those up. And that's it. They're in good shape. They can handle up to 400 watts total, but I'm not hooking them up to any kind of amp or anything. They're just going to the head unit. The head unit supposedly is supposed to put out about 360 watts, which is more than adequate for this. And I know some people's going to say, oh, well, you're buying this cheap Walmart, you this, that, and the other, blah, blah, blah. No one is going to know that you put a cheaper brand of speakers in there. They sound good. As long as they work and they sound good, who cares? You won't see them anyway. They'll be behind the panels and under the shelf of the car. I might put them on tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. It depends. But I bought a lot of stuff today. We're going to see a lot of unboxings. More suspension parts, brakes, stuff like that. A head unit is coming, I think, either tomorrow or Thursday. I'm not sure. But I'm going to put that in. A lot of stuff to do. A lot of parts coming in. And I'm just going to cut the video off right here. And I'll see you next time. Till next video.